welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry for the late video. I have been on vacation and it has been really hard to upload, so I'm sorry. But anyways, I'm really glad to be back, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make a check length t-shirt where you can measure your hair with the t-shirt. The hairstyle on my introduction and the video are different because they were not made on the same day. But anyway, this is not even a hairstyle. I'm just going to wash my hair now, so it's messy. And with all of that said, let's get right into the video. If you like what you see, please thumbs up this video, subscribe down below, and don't forget to share. Let's get into it.
Okay guys, so this is everything that you basically need. A white plain t-shirt or any color that you like. It could be old or new, but I didn't have one, so I bought one. Then you need something hard like a cardboard or something like that, a book, I don't know, just to place it inside so that when you write it doesn't mark the other side of the t-shirt. Then a ruler, a permanent marker, and if you want, a pen. I wanted a pen because then the dots will be smaller. And then you just take the ruler, place it in the inches side, and you mark every inch with little lines or dots to know where the lines are going to be afterwards. And you do the same thing over and over until you reach the bottom of the t-shirt. As you see, I moved the cardboard every time I wanted to go down. So then after I finished and wanted to go back to do the lines, I place it on the top again. Then I just do the lines with the permanent marker, and it doesn't really have to be perfect. You could try to do it perfect, but as you see, I didn't do it exactly perfect, so it's fine. Then you just keep moving the cardboard down and keep making lines. You can do as many as you want. I did until the t-shirt finished, but however you like would be fine. Then I'm just going to do the numbers of every inch until you want to, but I did till 25 or till the t-shirt finished because I couldn't do more. You know, I'm aiming for that waist length here, so I need to make it long. Then I just wrote on the top the inches and drew some hearts because I felt like it needed some decorations, and that's it. So as you see guys, it's really easy. So now that's what I'm going to use to measure my hair every time I want to. I plan to do it every 6 months or something like that. And in that picture I didn't really flat iron my hair or anything, didn't even blow dry it that much, only a little bit because I had no other reason for blow drying it, and I don't like to blow dry it that much. So I only did it to show you guys how long it was. So in the picture you see that it's almost 8 inches. Maybe if I flat iron it will maybe be 8 inches complete. But yes, and my hair, I have like a B-shape haircut, so as it go down it's longer and the top is shorter, as you can see in the picture. And when I first cut my hair, when I big shot my hair 2 years ago, now it was like 1 inch long. So I basically grew 7 inches, I guess. I don't know if that's a good amount of growth or not, but I feel fine about it. I feel like it's enough, and I hope to keep doing great on my hair journey and not only achieve long hair but also healthy hair. So this is everything for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.